What is up, YouTube? So, we're out here, it's a little windy. We're going to be working on our 2011 Caprice PPV. And what I have here is some new keys. And we're going to program them. So, let's get inside the car. I'm going to close the door. So I've got my GM genuine keys. And I've got a brand new key, which I had to put together. It doesn't come like this. And I just had it cut over at the locksmith. To have these cut, you're going to be looking at anywhere from like $30 to $60, depending on the locksmith. But you are going to have to program this to the car. There's two sections that need to be programmed. The first one is going to be the transponder to the car. The second one is going to be the keyless entry remote fob to the car. So to do this, you're going to start by taking your good key and you're going to insert it in the ignition. You're going to start the car, take it out. Within 5 seconds, introduce the new key, put it in, start the car, and do all your keys at the same time. So here's my third key in the ignition. Start the car and take it out. So that is the process to program your new keys. If you don't do that, you will lock the car out. To test that, I'm going to take my brand new key here, which is a Holden key. I actually ordered this from Australia, had it shipped to the United States. And here's the other keys. I'm going to put them on the roof. Let's see if it works. There we go. Just like that, initiated a new transponder key to the car. If you want to program a new key, let me get those other keys back here. I did have a problem with the fob that I bought from Australia. It does not work with the US cars. So if you do end up buying a new fob, the innards here are not compatible with the US cars. It's probably some FCC law. So this key has the innards for that Holden. I pulled the innards out of this key and put them inside that Holden key. So if you want to program your new fobs, you're going to engine off, ignition on, and then you're going to go on your menu, which I'm not sure if you can see. Get a little bit of a glare here. Okay, so you're going to go into the menu, hit the source button until, wait a minute, there we go. Sorry, hit the road button until you see customize options. Press enter. Then you're going to go down to remote key. Then it gives you instructions and programming. If you want to program, you hit program, enter. It says programming keys. Press lock and unlock at the same time until you hear 2 beeps. Key off when all keys are programmed. So I'm going to start with the one in the ignition. Push and hold both buttons at the same time. Wait for a beep. There's the double beep. Here's the next key. Both at the same time. There's the double beep. And just for fun, we'll do this one here. I know it's not going to work, but both at the same time. So by now this one should have double beeped. It's not going to do it. Whatever the difference is between Australian transponders and our US okayed transponders is preventing that from working. So I programmed both remotes. I'm going to remove the key from the ignition, pull it out, and test them. So lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. See, it works. So that's all I got for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. If you're interested in more Holden videos or you have any questions on the car, please feel free to leave some comments. I would be more than happy to answer them. If there's anything you want to see done on one of these cars or have any questions on how to do something, go ahead and drop those comments in the comment section below. And of course, if you could like and subscribe, I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys, and have a good one.